Hey everyone, Varun here once again from Language Academy. I've got Prab with me. She is our latest champion. She has smashed PT with 90 overall, with 90 in reading, 90 writing, 90 speaking and 85 in listening. An overall score of 90, perfect score. Congratulations Prab, a very great score. Very first thing guys, when she came to us, she was sitting on 58, which is 6.5 bands, and now she has moved all up to a perfect score, 90. You can't get more than that. A very great achievement, I'll say, moving on from 58 to 90. A lot of students, if they get 58 or 60 or 7, they don't even think about getting 8 each. But you have, smashed it, nailed it, perfect 90. What was your motivation behind that? How did you tackle each and everything? And what do you think is the most important to get perfect 90 in PT Prab?
First of all, I would like to say thank you to Varun and the whole Language Academy, especially Rahul, Ishita, Varun. All of you guys are best, because when I first came in here, I was like, from IELTS to PT, it was totally a different journey. So I was thinking I won't be able to get even 6, but like you told me, no, you can do it. So I started with 58, then dropped down. Again, you told me work with the strategies. There are a lot of strategies if you implement those ones. So with those specific strategies and templates that you guys gave me, I was working really hard, applying all the way, all the strategies, so reaching up here. And one more thing was there, like, due to some reason I was at home, I wasn't able to come up in the labs, so I was lacking up with 1 or 2 points from last 2 attempts, I think. So but when you said Prabjot, come in here and do it, so I was sitting in here in the lab, so it was, I realized that there is a difference point, because there is somebody, your teacher, to check up your work and telling your mistakes and rectifying all that. So it was really a nice and supporting journey.
That's right guys. Prab, you have got 90 in reading, and that was one of the section you were kind of scared about as well.
Yes.
I remember the day before your exam, you were just practicing reading again and again. What is the secret behind 90 in reading, Prab?
Actually, most probably the material that you guys provide and the strategies, definitely, because before my exam I was only thinking this time definitely all the strategies I'm gonna put through, the time management that I've learned in here. So basically, I think your hard work and the strategies from Language Academy, that works really well for me.
That's right, Prab. And I remember one thing from last 2 weeks, you used to come at 10 o'clock in the morning in the lab, and she used to finish at 8:30 in the evening, guys, from 10 in the morning till 8:30 straight, 12 hours, 10 hours. How important do you think are lab sessions, how important are mock tests in the lab, and how do they help you to get a perfect score in PT, Prab?
Actually, when you're sitting in the lab, like your brain automatically thinks that there is somebody who is observing you, what you are doing, and they are gonna come and check it. They're gonna give the feedback how it is. And every time when I do a little mistakes, Ishita or Varun or you just come in here and just tell me, no, you need to do this because this is the right way. So slowly in those couple of weeks, I learned like what is the perfect thing and perfect strategy I need to do. So I think sitting in the lab is very essential.
That's right, guys. So basically, feedback is very important, because you may practice by yourself and you may think that you are doing everything right, but that's not actually the case most often time. So guys, you need a mentor who can guide you that these are the mistakes you're making and this is where you need to work on, which was the case in your case as well.
Yeah.
And perfect 90 once again. Congratulations, Prab.
Thank you so
Let's
much.
wrap it off. Any final piece of advice for students out there who are preparing for the exam, who are on 58 or they're on 7 each, they think they can't really get 8 each or perfect score like you? Any advice for them, please?
Actually, I would only say one thing, like, don't think that you can't make it, because achieving something, it's in your brain, and you, for that thing, to achieve that goal, definitely apply some strategies, because intelligence work with the knowledge and information. So it was a mixture of my efforts and their strategies. So we work both together, and at the end you guys can see that I'm on 90.
That's right, guys. So basically what I can figure out from her journey is that first of all, you need to have a very strong mindset. You need to believe in yourself that I have to do it and I can do it. Don't ask. A lot of time what I see is students come up to me and tell me, sir, can I do it? It's not me believing that you can do it. Obviously, I believe that yes, you can do it. First of all, you have to believe in yourself that yes, I can score perfect 90 as well. And that's how you will smash your PT as well, guys. And that's it from this video, guys. All the very best. Keep on practicing. Believe in yourself, and 120% you will smash it like she did. Congratulations, Prab.
Thank you.
Thanks,
so much,
guys.
sir.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you.